Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Answer is A. Part 3. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer C. B.R. Ambedkar. Which article of the Constitution provides for the right to equality? Answer is A. Article 14. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with anti-defection law? Answer is B. 10 schedule. What is the minimum age required to become a member of the Lok Sabha? Answer is B. 25 years. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Which freedom fighter is associated with the slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? Answer is C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Answer is A. Razia Sultana. Who wrote the book Arthashastra? Answer is A. Chanakya. Which is the longest river in India? Answer is B. Ganga. Which Indian state receives the highest rainfall? Answer is C. Meghalaya. Which soil is best suited for cotton cultivation? Answer is A. Black soil. Who discovered the electron? Answer is A. J. Thomson. What is the chemical formula of ozone? Answer is B. O3. Which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? Answer is C. Vitamin K. What is the full form of DNA? Answer is A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to freedom of religion? Answer is C. Article 25. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer is B. President of India. What is the tenure of a judge of the Supreme Court of India? Answer is C. Till the age of 65 years. Which constitutional amendment act introduced the Good and Service Tax (GST) in India? Answer is B. 101 Amendment Act. Which British Viceroy passed the Rowlatt Act in 1919? Answer is C. Lord Chelmsford. Which ruler built the Grand Trunk Road? Answer is B. Sher Shah Suri. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Answer is C. Gujarat. Which Indian river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer is B. Kosi. Which part of the human brain control, balance, and coordination? Answers B. Cerebellum. Which metal is used in the filament of an electric bulb? Answers B. Tungsten. The Khelo India program is associated with which field? Answers B. Sports. Who proposed the law of inheritance? Answers B. Gregor Mendel. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Answer is 8. Which constitutional amendment is known as the Panchayati Raj Amendment? Answer C. 73rd Amendment. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Answer C. Vice President. The President of India can proclaim a state of emergency under which article? Answer is A. Article 352. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes untouchability? Answer is B. Article 17. Which constitutional body is responsible for conducting elections in India? Answer is A. Election Commission of India. Who led the 1857 revolt in Jhansi? Answer is B. Rani Lakshmibai. Which river is known as the lifeline of Assam? Answer is C. Brahmaputra. Which is the smallest union territory of India by area? Answer is A. Lakshadweep. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Answer is D. Vitamin D. Which fundamental right is described in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution? Answer is C. Right to life and personal liberty. Where is Konark Sun Temple situated? Answer is B. Odisha.